Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Me mobi bi akwaba eba Melody Steve so. Obi make allegations be na I am refusing to accept those allegations. I am refusing to understand. Medwe ho amenti ase. E kamen kwa nanka ebia embra se sa asemo nipa kono eka no eyentro because in fairness sa allegation we anipa yi o me say ye ne crepan dia entwa ye Mr. and there your first time ever ha subscribe na click the notification bell on so we understand latest news be about one sa ebekan we have a new YouTube channel link no our comment box ni mo click it na subscribe it MIN it's here for young concept ni mo you are seeing right in front of you Meka say a tweet and some tweet and a thread. Okay, that's the right English. On the Twitter, o trust them na enye baako na o the continuation but twice ya a thread. Now we are seeing a thread right in front of you. Na nipa kwa wa ba be kan same way no other than Joyce Bauer Muktari. We maybe say Joyce Bauer Muktari were special aid to John Dramani Mahama. Special aid. Not to say, baby Mahama beko biano wodinechi because ono na wabuano. Now, she is a family member as well of John Dramani Mahama. Na Embra na Mahama wawo abaimuno na asemo ankrofo kan and say Mahama family and friends. Now, this is the only known family member na wono so ewa abaimu na wane Mahama ejuma Joyce Bauer Muktari. With that being said, I want people to understand who is speaking. This person is very close to John Dramani Mahama. Now, what the allegations be about beto President Akufo-Addo so na mentiasie nso say Ghana yete emra kroso Mahama nso say ye ne krese ye de ade we edina yete Ghana ha se mentiasie so no nso be pene se bibi say NC. Because I mean it is not fair. Assembly Joyce Bauer Muktari alleged. Once let me say this before you understand. Ghana emra etrese se presidents bia free soa. Now sa presidents no I was say ye mano a dying ye man a government house. I think the vice president also is entitled to that. Enti oba na obedi Ghana so na uwie na wo kwa yesusu say waboa wo man no. Also at least the obe to me aya abo a man no di to me ene wonyansa aye nti e wo say the next government no wo mu make sure say ye be ma eye edan a government house. Now Joyce Bauer Muktari ababonten can say President Akufo-Addo since time our better than a president for all these years we refuse to say government house John Dramani Mahama were entitled to. President Akufo-Addo refuses or the bemano. President Akufo-Addo I imagine say one fasa a dino and Mahama. Meanwhile, Ghana past president Nini na will be answer akan. Yanko reading some more kind. Now kwanko yes me na make sasha no. And you are saying that I've told you, huni profile. Patro SA John Dramani Mahama, lawyer, maritime politician, social and blah blah blah, exercise enthusiast in Sembebere. Or see. We were all in this country when Akufo-Addo refused former President John Dramani Mahama the use of a government house as he was entitled to as a former president. In fact, President Mahama is the only former president who does not have an office from the state as is his right. And it is because President Akufo-Addo refuses him that privilege. One, well, alleged say President Akufo-Addo refuses say wabema Mahama edan efie was say wonya or ye entitled to as a past president. President Akufo-Addo and Famano. Aside that in sono, as a former president, you are also entitled to an office. Walker says our office so from the states no. President Akufo-Addo refuse say wadebema John Dramani Mahama. Into me sure says Mahama the office wo ye adwuma efri no maybe ono ankasa ne sika na wo de rent house ono ankasa ne sika na wo de pay house den. But this is the special aid to John Dramani Mahama who is making these allegations. Say a dan ye refuse ye efie ye refuse ye say me kan dan akwa say we a government house ye refuse ye say ye de Mahama. And office and no say what's a state no the man no and also you refuse. I don't know why she decided to say that or she came out to say this, but this is what she's saying. But for me, I'd like to believe that this is not true, because if indeed it is true, it doesn't speak well of this nation. Because I know Mahama no Misusu say at least if for nothing at all krana ye were 1-2 things be at least or ye bo Ghana ye ni na emra na Mahama teso ye bebo nechi and the doom so me amete he de bia maka I voted against John Dramani Mahama. I know some people will come and use it against me saying and I tell we MPP ni I voted against him, and that one there it proves nothing. But emra na what teso no me hu say Mahama no wo mbo moden me hu ye. Because now doom so no na ehame sa time no ehame pa intimate toaba etiano meka ne kre na tremo. But to me ntreme say based on enunti ebia enyama bia wo se wonya ne ntimu nya, because say eye Ghana mbra ana ewo constitution mu ana whatever it is, I mean you should just give it to me, because at least there's one thing bia wo ye ya endekra at least ebia eboa yen. And you can say, sir, University of Ghana Medical Hospital, coronavirus by you share that reservice our place man politicians are kesia wa moyare any top dignitaries are wa moyare e Ghana has say at least why. But I don't understand the issue. Mama tries to make find it as now, but I'm not really getting any more information from anywhere. This is the only information I'm getting, and this is coming from the special aid to former President John Dramani Mahama. It could be say, well, because she has her allegiance to Mahama Ninti, ebia wononso asem no enye nini na oka. It could be. But let's go into the comments and see what Ghanaians said on this particular issue. You heard the Ghana for kind. Obi say he wants the office in his capacity as what? A former president or a former presidential candidate. And also ni asema will be beside. And Obi ebe responded and said, to you, who is he? Why do you speak like your early childhood? Just enkrofo be didi atem. To Obi bisa say, into office na Mahama wope no. Ope as then say former president and now say presidential candidate. And I'll say he's just an ordinary person like me. I'll say, what do you mean by that? You and who? Just say enkrofo be na. Let me go more into the comments and see what people are saying. I'll say, you don't get state burial when you die. You don't get certain privileges. He will get Bosu. He's not an ordinary citizen like you. So a lot of people into Obi ka say Mahama no or an ordinary citizen to say yenya eba ne saying ena e was say yemano a state office and then a government house. But you see people who comment like this, I feel say asemna ekoso no, they are just commenting because they feel say oh ebia also woman so ekasa. But still nipa kona asem wa watro ne reading ye o reading ye ananka o mba mbebisa sa asem no. Listen to what she said. Or see, we were all in this country when Akufo-Addo refused former President John Dramani Mahama the use of a government house as he was entitled to. We're underlining entitled. Entitled. Your cousin will be entitled to something and not say ebia e wo mremu se nipa kro no fa de no ma no. That's why I'm saying, say, so we'll be bekasa. Let's make sure to read the thing well to understand. It is all now because say, into what person Mahama and your man dying just because of water. Not just say you don't even understand what's going on. Because statement will say the person is entitled to. So it could be say Ghana mbra constitution atre say nipa krona ya famano. Now say constitution atre say fade mo bia. How can you go and ask? Say nipa kona ade no pese ye de mano. Constitution atre say famano. Ozu bizaza ade no pese ye de mano. I don't know. I guess you people are getting my point. But you see, to be very fair to statement, the first statement, I'm speaking about the first statement. The first statements are Joyce Bauer Akano, very ambiguous, and it has two meanings. Let me give you both of the meanings, because as me Sanso Babe Ridi Biomno, I'm getting two different meanings. Or see, we were all in this country when Akufo-Addo refused former President John Dramani Mahama the use of a government house as he was entitled to as a former president. Tibetumi Abane say, up till now, Akufo-Addo were refusing Mahama and now say, Embrebi bae. Time na e wase na Mahama wonya dan no yamfa ma na sa time no. Inti if you are speaking, Obeka say Akufo-Addo refuses say Odebema Mahama, but ebi asisi anu wo de amano. Because what tie ne tense wakan, she was speaking in the past tense. I see we were all na ye ni na ye wo man we mu eni ehu embra Akufo-Addo. Na ye se wonfa edan emma Mahama waka say wonfa ma no. And amaka no eye two ways. Either say the first one that say, well, up till now, cran one farm mano. Into one farm mano, up till now, cran one farm mano. And now say, Sisia de Mahama and Saka, now some baby buyer, not Akufo-Addo mpese what the bemano. I hope you guys are understanding. But the second point is categorically clear. I say, in fact, President Mahama is the only former president who does not have an office from the state, as is his right. In the second one, there, she was emphatic, say, in fact, Sisia de President Mahama ye the only president of Ghana office e was ye de mano no yemfa mano. State office e was ye de mano yemfa mano. So the second one was about the office ni there, it was categorically clear. But the first one was a bit ambiguous. What you say? So that's my understanding on the issues. But a lot of people are asking questions. But and then I'm at Tremono. If you read what someone is saying, brofo, because she used the word entitled, no. What you say? And so if someone uses the word entitled, you have no reason coming to ask, say, why do you want us to give to you? Why do you want us to give it to you? Why do you want us to give it to you? And then I'll say them out. And then I'll say them out. Because you're using the word entitled. Not to say, ebia eye inshisheye, eye mra, ya trato, se fama ni pakrono. So you don't come and ask some questions if you understand what I'm saying. So if you understand the statement, umba baby san sembi. Now, Obinzo say, you don't fear God. You will make your twin suffer for no reason. Can't you be honest for once? Into Obia Samoa Obeka Mami and say, hey, because I see you make your twin. It's not twin, triplet. What people don't know, they say, within this year, Mami Ayeka say, a year, Joyce Bauer Mutaburi, you know, Muktari, Joyce Bauer Muktari. Wawo, na owo, me name say, you can't triplet, it will chimu. But once then you can say wawonta and once then you can say wawonta mienu owo miensa. What you say? Owo miensa. Inti eno na wobi ka say, hey, inti wo de unsuro nyame. Osi wo de unsuro nyame. Obema sebe mkola na wawo no, wo mo abrekeke. Adan na won ka ne kre. Na trese bia nipa ku we ka say, asem we amami walking eyentro. Wo try to President Akufo-Addo so. Na media me maka me say, sa same way. Oh, in same to me ba, you just don't want to believe me. I don't want to believe. I don't know, but it could be true. And you two ways. It's either it is true or not. But me mompa de obi samia. No, Charlie, because if it is indeed true, then I don't know. Then Charlie, if it is indeed true, I say be careful what you say. Oh. God has special love and protection for kids, so be careful how you touch them. Have her twins spoken? So a lot of people commented on this tweet or say, Charlie, some things you for no say, no matter what, don't do that. Or say, speak to issues, bro, don't do that. Inti anone asema nkrofo boss and pakuwe echi. Or say you wish. Or say JM will return JM will return one thing we are sure of, and we wait for that time. Or say you wish. See, we're all in this country when Atta Mills denied Kufuor an official office and vehicle. Yet Rawlings went home with a fleet of cars and 3 bungalows. The house got burned and a new one built in record time for him. It will be someone will also can say Atta Mills and so Kufuor bi. So I don't know. So does it mean this person is indeed saying say, well, if Atta Mills Kufuor bi na ye bonia, not to say indeed Akufo-Addo so aye binti, like, I mean, it's bonnet. Say Atta Mills aye na bonia. does it give Akufo-Addo the right to do something? I don't understand. But if indeed allegations were aired by a then that's the question I'm asking. Because this person is trying to ratio it to say, oh, Atamil Sinsu ye Akufo-Obi. So does it make it right? The point is that this person is claiming, say, Adia Mahama Nenye. Also, as someone can say, oh, also cry papa Ayobibi. How does it stop the fact, say, Adia Nenye? The American say, Enye. Whether I make papa ne ye yo, me mami ne ye yo, it is not right. So you can't come and counter me, say, me so me papa yebi, and I me mami yebi, and I madam fu yebi. Enye, and I me boa. As Rawlings had the cars taken from him, as well as his traveling privileges. Rawlings was reduced to almost a commoner under the Kufuor. As he traveled like a normal citizen. It pained him that Atamils didn't retaliate. That was one of the reasons why he had issues with Atamils. Well, this particular issue and the can because Obi Baba can say Rawlings in so ye de no. No, or say Rawlings Kufuor and fan no. And Obi Baba can say hey Rawlings Kufuor jene cars no. Rawlings can no too. But you see this particular thing no. There's an interview by Rawlings here a check him say Atamils time. Now Rawlings can sound same way. Say no cre ebedum brebi kan no Rawlings na yere eyare e wo say yede na yere etu kwan ekwa abrochire say Kufuor ye ya say Rawlings no ye ma ne nko insem bebre Rawlings be kan obekan sansem no say na opeso otu kwan kra na ye ma no privileges na wo hia enti na en na ma up to before Rawlings even died no mpe Kufuor asem sansem ni na kan na no mpe Kufuor asem no. So, indeed, what this person is saying, Rawlings Nankasa can we interview Mupen. What you say? And to say, Mahamad's aide, office staff paid by the state after leaving office. Joyce Bawa Mutari, Felix Ofosu-Kwakye, Wisdom Peter Ewuku, Fidel Amachi Owusu, Frank Ahinkra, Ernest Nkrumah Addo. I mean, how is this related to what the person is saying? I mean, if I want to say, Ghana Mratre say, Ana Bibi. And she share be wo a trese wo bi ebeda ne president no kwa e wo se ye man e dan ane ye man fie yan fa ma no e wo se ye man office so yan fa ma no na wo ba be ka se nipa ko na mbra na wo office mu no na otua enkrofo 6 ka anana Ghana ye tua enkrofo 6 ka. So how is it related? So are you saying say because of na ye tua enkrofo 6 ka and wo no nti eni kwan say wonya ni privileges na. So, I mean, currently, do you know those who are the aides to the President Akufo-Addo himself? Is there a limit, a cap limit for the number of aides a president can take? Because in natural sense, no crane say a job as big as a president cannot take even only one aide. And let me give you an example. Oba Ghana has say, she will be to say, Wademaya is the biggest YouTuber in this country, close to 1 million subscribers. But I want to mean tell me say Wademaya no ni team no no pe. Obviously, no Wademaya ne ka ho. He might also have an editor. He might have a videographer. What you say? Into your no crampo no. A YouTube channel keke wo running no. Nkrofo 3 wo ho a wo ti omoka. Into a bit to say president. So you are saying the president needs to take only one aide. Do you know the number of aides President Akufo-Addo has? And you see, what these presidents know, say, they are extremely busy to the point where sometimes in Yamakra Koso or Maini Monocran or Munim because ebia international issue biaba meeting be our so they take aid. Ebeka say, wo ebia you this particular aid no concentrate on entertainment issues and at the air Koso in this sector, ebia agriculture sector. Ebeka say you this aid in so concentrate on in someone else on the political side. Then you can say, "Wo aid way you to concentrate on financial side." You because one person can't do your job. What you say? If you understand how the president works and all these things are, as I said, well, president needs to get a number of aides. So these are the things. I say, Joyce Bawa, please let's stop the petty politics. If this letter is anything to go by, former President JDM decided on his own will to leave the property. So where from this? Into Obiaba be tren krata etrese Mahama nankasa eka se wompe ejapade no. Obehu no wa ha. O say let's read it. I refer to our agreement on the above subject matter and wish to inform you that I have decided to formally withdraw both requests to continue to stay at my current place of residence. Blah blah blah. Or say it would appear that these requests threaten to mar the spirit of cooperation with which we, as co-chairs of the joint transition team, have managed the smooth transfer of power. And actually, Mahama Airtron Krata actually say request a abano. Bia na ene womu decisions be enkoso. Or see, he decided to leave because Akufo-Addo wasn't willing to honor the agreements during the transitional days. And this is what Mahama clearly stated in the second paragraph. Or say, transition team agreements are womu emeki yeno. Agreements be na say, I mean, let's read so we both understand. Or say, it would appear that these requests threatened to mar the spirit of cooperation with which we, as co-chairs of the joint transition team, have managed the smooth transfer of power from my administration to yours. Not to say clearly, we stated what I said. Decision B, ebia President Akufo-Addo eteki ye no. Say omotena se eka asem no, anomokasa fa asem ne ho no. Decision B wasanso ede aba no. Ene sa atenasye nsem a womo kan na ene no enko. Oh, inti eno no will be explaining what he said. He decided to leave because Akufo-Addo wasn't willing to honor the agreement. Also, according to the letter, Parliament has approved that property for him, so he shouldn't have left. So this is the issue. Montre mo adwen e comment box mo tie for medase.